You know, as a travel vlogger, you have to be cheeky as well. You know, like in EVs, I get many problems because of filming. They almost punched me there because of they didn't want to be filmed.
I mean, do you think that's quite a few chips there?
I think it's okay.
Enough for 2 people?
Are you okay? You can.
I can do more.
Yeah, you can do more.
This is going to be plastic, so it's probably going to melt it. I'm going to fish now. But what I mean is, we. Oh,
you want to try? Take some.
No, they're not ready yet.
Okay, yeah.
They're going to be double cooked.
Is this plate is not good?
No, this is good for the fish. Okay, get the temperature up again. Okay, first fish, Elsa's. Right, we want the big one.
Salt.
Oh no, I'll go without salt.
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 Yeah.
Oh, fine, okay. No, it's too expensive. Ready?
Je suis désolé.
Where's the thing gone? Oh, I thought we could do. You kind of bin.
I never filmed in a hot place like this.
You can wash up the pan. Right. Yeah, I think that's a good temperature.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off for a while. Oh my god, look at that.
How are the chips?
Wow. You shut up. You give her something?
No.
No.
Right.
It's a lot better.
And I was going to turn the fish.
Who taught you how to cook?
Learned it myself. It's just a fish. Just turn the fish. That's it.
Yeah.
Look at that lovely white meat.
What do you think? You're a good cook or average? Or kind of, yeah.
Alright.
Well, alright. Okay.
So, need to just wipe up. Yeah, unfortunately the pan's not ideal because it's. We should keep the skin should be on. I think he overflaked it actually. The guy who cooked, who shucked it. Okay, now we can use this just to wipe up this. Get the beer now whilst we're eating. Get some chips.
Yeah. So.
I reckon we could probably do some more chips.
Are you hungry?
Look how much flavour in the meat.
Ja, aber sie sind nicht ganz glücklich, dass wir das machen. Aber ist egal, oder? Warst du in Lanzarote surfen? Weil die ja hinten.
Ja.
Hm?
So we're going to be taking this out. These are going to go back in.
Okay. Okay.
And actually, I weighed this before at university. You only use 15 grams of oil. So
Yeah.
if we're allowed to keep the oil, it might be difficult now with fish in it. But yeah, that's going to be good.
So that's called Mauritian fried fish with
Reef
chips.
fish as well. These
Chips.
are reef fish.
Reef fish.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I saw a snorkel with these yesterday.
Okay. Served with French fries
From Belgium.
and a cold beer.
Yeah, do we get beers now? know where the beers are?
Yes,
Bottom
I guess.
shelves,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I put it here, or you wanna?
Yeah. Should we eat here or should we eat
Ja,
upstairs?
wenn wir dürfen, oder?
I'm happy. If we can eat here, let's eat here.
Dürfen wir hier essen? Ja. Ich spreche
Oh,
ich
I
sprech,
need one more plate.
ich sprech Deutsch,
Alright.
das keiner versteht.
I should
Deswegen.
get some plates.
Mhm.
Ask about the plates, and then we've got this plate we're going to have the fish on.
Okay, voila.
We're ready.
We are ready.
It's very strong flavour.
What you gonna do?
You double fried, and that's how
Oh,
you
you
in
double
Belgium.
fried it.
You know, triple
Okay.
chips.
Triple price, double chips, okay. Ja. C'est bon.
This can come on the table.
And then you keep the oil in it, not
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, it's good oil. I'm going to try this as well. Good. It's a very thick container. I think I need to sit here, don't I?
You are not camera shy, because some people don't want to get filmed. You know that.
No, but I have a YouTube channel. So.
Because yeah, I'm just kidding, you know. But some people don't like it. Yeah.
Schmutzig.
That was just a kidding remark, joke. I don't care actually.
Right. Come on, keep on heating. That's looking pretty hot now. Still not hot enough. Now it's getting something. Right.
Super, Wahnsinn, das ist so gut. Unglaublich. Incredible.
Nice colour now. Yeah, here we go. Now we're done. Right, good. I will heat the other chips up though, because there's like nothing left now.
It's okay. I'm happy with that.
Really?
Yeah.
We've got fat on there too.
Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna get fat.
We'll have a look, we'll try. I haven't any serviettes for you, so I'll have to do this one.
So, c'est fini? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching. See you next year in Cambodia. It tastes like heaven. Oh my god, you should come here. You guys should come here. The whole world should come to Mauritius because of the fish.
Simon's fish.
Wow.